guys, it's me, Bianca, and welcome to Quarantine Fun. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make fake nails. But before we get started with the video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification button. Let's get to it. So I already did my first hand, and this is what it looks like. So as you may know, I already did my first hand, but I didn't do my second hand. As you can see, it still has some old nail polish. So I'm going to be doing my second hand. So what you'll be using today is PVA glue, nail polish remover, nail polish, you can use any color, scissors, a cuticle pusher, nail file, I'm going to be using this nail file today, tissues or cotton will do, and paper. So first we're going to be using the tissue and the nail polish remover. And we're just going to be taking all of the old nail polish off of our nails. Okay, that's about good. Now, so the next thing we're going to be using is the nail file, which is over here. And then you're going to be gently scrubbing your nail, very gently. Okay, that's about done now. Next thing you want to be using is the paper, which is right over here. And we're going to be shaping the nails that we're making. Okay, now I've shaped my nail to how I want it to be like. You can shape it however you want, but this is just how I want to shape it. Okay, now we're not going just to have one layer, we're going to have 4 layers. So let's grab the paper again, then cut out just a little piece from it. Just a little piece. So I have my piece of paper here, and I'm just going to fold it twice. Fold it inwards and then outwards. Now you need to cut off all of the excess. Okay. And you're going to be needing to shape it into your nail. I'm just going to cut a little piece, a little bit like this. I don't know if you can see it properly. I'm just cutting it around, all around. Okay. Okay. That is just about done now. And now you have 4 nails, 4 layers over here, as you can see. And that's going to be our nails. So the next thing you're going to be doing is, so I'm just going to put a little bit of PVA glue onto my nail, just a little bit, and then dab it with my finger around the nail. Okay, very gently. Okay, that's about good. And now we're going to stick our first nail. Then the first layer is on. Need to push it down so it won't fall off. And yeah, you can always change the shape of your nail. Like if you think it's too long, you can just cut it to the right size you like. And yeah, okay, first layer is finished. Now let's move on to the next one. You want to do the same as what you did with the first layer. You want to grab your PVA glue and just put a bit around like that. As you can see, there's PVA glue. And then let's just dab it around the nail. Alright, that's about good. And then we're just going to let it dry now. It won't take very long, just around like 5 to 10 minutes. And we'll see you then. Okay guys, it fully dried now and I'm not really happy about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it just a bit. So I trimmed my nail to how I liked it, and this is what it looks like now. Okay, and now we have to do the exact same thing with all of the other nails. So I'm going to be showing you that in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, look, it actually worked. Anyway, we have one more step to go. Okay, the next step is to paint your nails. I have the nail polish right here. I'm using Rimmel London and it's brown colors too. And you can use any color you want. I'm just going to be using brown because it's very natural and I really like it. So, let's get to it. We'll have to put several coats on so it can be fully colored and yeah, it's good. To it. Ready to put the second layer on. Yep, they're dry now. Now it's time to put the second layer on. Okay. Okay, first hand is done. Now I have to let them dry. Yep, they're dry now. Now time for the second coat. Now we're just going to let those dry. Must be dry now. And now let's just move on and then paint the inside parts. These parts right here. And you don't have to do this. I'm just going to do it so that it would look nice and time for the next hand. Okay, that's all done now. Now we're just going to let them dry. yeah, I think they're dry now.
And these are my nails. They're nice, strong, beautiful, and they even stay on my fingers, although they're made of paper. Anyway, comment down below if it's working for you or not. And that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification button. Bye!